Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view replies based on relevancy likes and like the latest post, the latest reply as well. So select the post, and here, this is the most this is the most relevant reply that they have. There's the most likes, I think, the most liked one, which is I guess the same tweet. And there's also like the latest reply here. Okay, I think it starts from like this one here and not from this one up here. Let me just try that again. Yeah, as you can see, this is the most like, I think this is just the reply from this one because it's the same like creator. I don't know, but that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Hopefully you stayed till the end. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!